Welcome back, my dear subscriber, and I'm here with your predictions for the month of August. And before I start, as always, I would like to thank my Jyotish Gurus and my spiritual gurus for always guiding me. I'm truly grateful. So, Taurians, let's go on with August 2021 for you. Taurus, after a few rough months, finally you have reached a turning point for you in this year. For many of you Taurians, things have changed a little bit in the last 2 weeks. The struggle, the burdens, the stress that you might have had in this year, or perhaps in the last 11 months or so, has finally reduced. You're getting more clarity. If you were working too much and that was your trouble, or if you lost some money, or there was some stress around things, so that will also now reduce. Let's see how August will treat you. August begins with many of you feeling focused at work and feeling full of energy. So as we move into August, you're focused, you've got plans, you're feeling all charged up and positive towards your work. Some of you might be having some issues connected with health around this time, perhaps connected to fluids in the body, blood pressure, or digestion. So in case Taurians, you feel any of these, please don't ignore it, because this is a possibility right now. So watch your health, be extra cautious with your food, regular food habits, regular sleep. These things can really help you sail with this phase where your health can trouble you a little bit. Remember, this is temporary and things will get sorted towards the third week of August for your health. So in case you are feeling a little settled, Taurians, around your health, then towards the third week of August, it's going to be fine, provided you don't ignore it. You listen to the body when it's giving you the signals that you need to take it easy, or you need to pay attention, or you're careful, then you should be fine by the time we reach the third week of August. So please take your precautions for your health. And in case of any issues, don't ignore it and see your doctor. Since the third week of August is still a few weeks away, things will settle at the end of the month. Taurians, the kind of long-term stability in finances that you've been looking at, the one that you've been seeking, the financial goals that you've been working towards for your long-term life goals, it's still a few weeks away. While things are going to now be a little more clearer for you, a little more stable for you, the long-term goals that you are keeping in mind, or the stability, will still take about 2 more months. So for your finances to be in a space where you want to be, it would take around about 2 more months. At the end of the month, be very cautious where you invest your money, who you give it to, or any important documentation that you need to sign. So Taurians, end of the month is a time where I want you to think twice before you put your money anywhere. I want you to think 20 times or 100 times before you give it to another individuals, because this is a time where I'm seeing certain things. So please double check, please give it another thought, don't be impulsive. Important documentation that you need to sign connected to finance, real estate, investments, or just money being given away. Be very, very cautious, because I can see that some of you might be feeling pressurized. So Taurus, don't feel pressurized. I don't want you to feel pressurized or being pushed into investments or being pushed into deals. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. In fact, take some time. Give it more time. Give it another thought. Don't let yourself be pushed into these things. Even with your business dealings, take your time. Some of you might be stressing or feeling work pressures towards the end of the month. These things will improve in the second week of September. Overall, August is a mixed month, and September will bring you better news. So Taurus, remember the advice that I've given you. Remember the dates that I've mentioned. Follow it. I hope you have a great month ahead. And like I said, I will have better things to tell you for the month of September. Meanwhile, follow my advice. Have a great month ahead, and I'll see you next month.